gorgeous. I don't know what your problem could be, but what do you think it is?
Sunspots. They're
Oh, we
my
get
face
these in my
used
family
to,
too.
yeah,
little
used to be
Sicilians.
perfect.
Yeah.
Now I have the freckles. One's particularly noticeable on the
Yeah,
side.
my mom and I get these too. Yeah.
So this is actually due to aging that we get when we're children. So we're kids, we're playing out on the beach, we don't wear sunblock. You really don't see it until you enter your 30s and your 40s, and that's when it starts appearing as sunspots. We also call them age spots or liver spots, all the same
We
thing.
prefer sunspots to age spots, Dr. Youn, so let's keep it in that zone.
So normally we treat these with laser-type treatments. They can cost anywhere from $200 to $400, but we've got an all-natural remedy for it here. It's the all-natural Sunspot Corrector. And we take lemon juice. I'm going to grab it from the fridge.
We've got some stuff in little bowls right here.
And this is probably the simplest recipe that you've ever had on your show in all the seasons you've been on. All you do is you take literally 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You add it to 1 tablespoon of soy milk.
Here, I think they have it measured here.
Yes.
Let's just pour it in here.
Okay, that'd be easier.
And soy milk.
And 1 tablespoon of soy milk.
Right.
And then 1 tablespoon of honey. Here, I'll help you with that. So 1 tablespoon of honey, and we mix it all together.
Yeah.
And we can apply it onto her face. Now, you can do it or I can do it, it's up to you.
You're the doctor.
Okay, let me try that. So you want to mix it up nicely, and we just apply it to the face. I'm going to have you lean back a little bit.
I have daughters that are 8 months and 2.5. Should I be putting sunscreen on them?
Yes, yeah, sunscreen is the number
That's
one
a great
way
question.
to prevent
She was
aging.
saying she has infants, she has little kids. When do you start putting sunscreen on? He said, right away.
Right away.
Yep.
And there's actually sunscreens that are hypoallergenic that are made specifically for children. The ones I usually recommend have either zinc oxide or titanium dioxide because there are less chemicals involved with it. But the idea behind this is you've got lemon juice, you've got soy milk, you've got honey. Lemon juice has citric acid in it, and
Right.
citric acid is a skin lightener. Soy milk, people don't know this, but soy milk is a very powerful skin lightener. It actually has enzymes in it that block the production of melanin.
No
Melanin is
kidding.
what causes the dark spots. It also has vitamin A and E, which is great for the skin. And if you've never applied honey to your skin, you are missing out. Honey is a
Get
jack,
sticky.
a jack of all trades. So we let this sit for about 25 minutes, okay?
I hope
And
this works because I have the same problem. My mom does too.
It's
Yeah.
a gradual process, though. You want to apply it about 2 to 3 times a week, about 25 minutes at a time, then wash it off with some warm water. And you'll find it takes about 6 to 8 weeks before you really start seeing the results. But that's what you see with even the prescription strength skin lightening creams out there.
It takes 6 to 8 weeks, even with the expensive stuff.
It does, yep. So this is a way you can do it for literally pennies.